Karamihan sa atin, hindi magawa-gawa yung mga bagay na gusto nila not because they're incapable, but because majority takot. Takot sa kung anong pwedeng masabi ng ibang tao sa kanilang mga desisyon, sa mga bagay na gusto nilang gawin. Kaya hindi makapag-proceed because nagkakaroon na ng analysis paralysis. So, ang totoo niyan guys, wala talaga tayong power over other people's opinion. Kaya, let them. Let them. And truth here is, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. So don't take things seriously. It's a reflection of who those people are and not you. Ang pinaka-importante is ikaw. How do you find yourself? Tandaan mo, in 100 years time, etong mga naysayers, these people na maraming opinion, the bashers, in 100 years time, they will be long gone. So was you. So does it really matter? Kung at the end of the day, all of us will be long forgotten, including everything that we've done in this lifetime. So, proceed with confidence sa mga bagay na gusto mo. At sa tingin mo magbibigay ng joy and fulfillment sa iyong existence sa mundong ibabaw na to. Let the naysayers do what they do best. You do yourself well. You express your creativity and stop suppressing kung ano man yung binistaw sa'yo ni God, ng universe. And make use of it. Or else, pwede kang magkasakit. Because that energy, hindi siya pwedeng isuppress. It's there for you to express it and use it. Alright? Much love. Carpe diem, namaste, and hiraya manawari. This is E of iNet Radio. Have a great day ahead.